Hello friends, my name is Mansu Kumar and my channel is Pratigya Continue Study Classes. Today I online and I want to tell some things. I want to I want I want to tell some things and you should listen and feedback and I should come back to reply. Today topic is currents is lockdown extend to 3.0. Why 3.0 is lockdown is necessary? Is topics and today discuss the point 3.0 lockdown. Not lever my opinion is 3.0 is impossible in India because lockdown is not COVID-19 is decreased, but nowadays day by day is decreased for and percentage is decreased, but patients positive COVID-19 is increased, but and compared to percentage day by day decrease as compared to other country. USA nowadays is 11 lakh positive in COVID-19 and that positives COVID-19 66,000 people are dead only for USA country and as compared to in India minimum decreases COVID-19 but but government has provides lockdown extend 3.0 without extend impossible. Nowadays social distancing is not full of rule, but nowadays each day by day each migrant is affected and is mentally torture. Nowadays more than industry are open and and red zone, orange and green zones. Three sectors are provides. Total number of red zone and green zone and orange zones. Total number of districts 733 districts in India and red zones district 130 district 130 and orange zone 284 orange zone districts but and green zone 319 319 orange zone but impossible green zone is day by day is increase, not my opinion is not increase but day by day is orange and greens day by day red zones and nowadays every peoples are affected. Now migrants come to village by train by any and next points. Nowadays every more than state are affected just like for big city and big and more than the just like employments are work for one's Maharashtra, Pune, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore. Number of more than district are red. Delhi full, Maharashtra full of red zones. Delhi 11 districts are red zones. without nowadays more than affected that times, and day by day increase, but death rate are decrease. With nowadays, it's day by day is COVID positive is increase, but if you control the death, number of deaths are controlled, then COVID-19 is day by day decrease. My opinion is, if you suppose today, tomorrow, yesterday, one one people's are dead. One people's are dead in Bihar, but 11th lakh 11th 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 lakh peoples are mentality change. One persons are dead. Why? Because number of cases are increased. Number of cases are increased. No one affected, but one person are dead as mentality change. But in this time, the if you suppose open the industry, commercial and construction, the number of positive COVID in decrease and economics day by day increase. Nowadays economics are decrease. Now the the Moody's are more than 2 months, 3 months ago. India economics 6.25, and after one month ago in India 2.005. But nowadays, yesterday Moody's are announced in India each 0.22%, 0.2 is economics. But mentality India is changed. That tomorrow number of industry, construction and commercials are open. Without open each day by day is decrease COVID-19, and 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 3 point lockdown extend 3.0. That time all of state is as full of completed COVID-19, just like number of hospital are increased, number of medicine are increased, but nowadays is not medicine research are increased for medicine. Medicine not available for COVID related, but some are for related medicine are available, just like vaccines research. Farmers are, and nowadays and after the Prime Minister Modi has announced जान है तो जहां है, yeah, the right sentence, जान है तो जहां है, but 3.0 extent is economics day by day decrease, and more than green zone, red zones are open the shops and industry, commercials and commercial industry and constructions. Then affected COVID-19 and day by day economics are increased. But tomorrow, 2 day ago, USA has provided $3 provides in India. Each fight the COVID-19. Okay, some points are provides. Everyone's feedbacks reply the I am beginners, which I improve, which I can remove Okay.